Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Kylie. Did Santa Claus come?
Yeah.
What? What is all that stuff? Go look at it. Go look. Santa came.
Santa Claus come?
Look, Kylie.
Did he make it?
Nana and Pap wanted to see.
What is it? What did you get?
Yeah, honey. Caroline.
Kylie, what happened?
Caroline just wants her shakes out.
Hey, Care. Hi. Go ahead, open more.
Go ahead, open them. Santa taped it up tight.
What is that, Kylie?
What did Santa bring you now?
What is it, Kai?
It's a bell doll.
It's a...
Caroline wants her shake. She doesn't care what anything else is right now. There you go. Or do you want the box? Alright, okay, you don't want that? You want to open something else? See what else you got? Okay.
What's that, Kylie? What is it?
What is it? A bell book? Yeah. Oh, Kylie's got
Santa must have heard what you wanted. He got you lots of bell stuff, didn't he?
What?
What is that?
What is that?
A bell scarf.
You want to wear it? Oh, wow. How beautiful. So pretty. You are just tearing through everything.
Caroline, aren't you excited?
But I want my beans. Help. Oh, you got it. Who's that?
An Ariel book. Are you already playing, Caroline? Mm-hmm.
Caroline took a break. She likes her blocks that Santa bought her. Go show Pap your blocks. Go show Pap your blocks.